What's up guys, welcome back to Granny Chapter 2. It has been a long time since I played this. I played this like in the month of November, October. Tricky. Yeah, let's nightmare mode it. Hi. Okay. I mean, we've done chapter 1 and chapter 3, but here's chapter 2 now. Chapter 2, let's go. Day 1. Granny and Grandpa write little neater. I'm scared. Okay, whatever. Why are you so fast? Like we can outrun Granny at any cost. Or a bear. This is a bear. Oh, spiders. Get it. I don't care. Kill me. Look. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with him. Okay. Let's yeah, we wanna go by the door. Yeah, let's go by the door. Not doors, chapter 1, dumb spider just walking around. Okay. I don't want to go home. I don't want to be at what? I don't want to go home. I just want to be at Granny's house. What? Yeah, padlock. Piece of junk. Yes. Whatever we need, we'll do it everything. Dude, are you serious? What? What's wrong with them? Dude, why are you there? Okay, good. Can you put it yet? No, right? Oh no. Oh no. Let's restart the game. Oh, I hate nightmare mode. Nightmare mode sucks. So let's take everything, put it to the door, and then we'll like we'll do everything. Hi dude, how you doing? Nothing. Manual, nothing. Okay, nothing. Oh, rant. I jump up. Hey, baby. I don't know how it sometimes does resurrect himself.
She wraps the
Shut
towel
up.
for an hour, she sits, then she dries it. I don't want to put them
Shut
in
up.
between. I thought I'll buy a hair dryer. But then later I thought
Idiot.
hair dryer is not good. It weakens the hair actually, hair dryer.
Okay. Nothing good there. How is slend? Wasn't supposed to be opposite. Okay, nothing. Nothing. Oh, security key. I'll take
Is
that.
that the reason she dislikes
Nothing.
it?
Nothing good. Nothing.
Acha, Cheyenne, how does she sleep at night? Her hair is open or tied?
Okay. Crowbar. Crowbar. What? Dumb key. Nobody needs a dumb key. Dumb key.
No, she just clips the hair.
Ah, useless. Junk.
Nirisha, sorry, Anushka? Oh, very good school girl. How do you tie your hair? Just clip, that's it. You don't make a pony or something.
Okay.
Pony?
Let's
Okay.
fall down. Okay.
No, she just has to. She just puts a clip, that's it. I mean, in my school also they used to tell, put a pony or those plaits and all that. And there they just
Okay. Dude, I'm stuck. I'm I'm stuck. Okay.
I was not aware of that. I was.
Uh,
In my office also there are a lot of guys, Malaysia boys also they take like you said, twice
oh,
in a week they take the hair bath, yeah.
okay. Let's. Okay. Now, no leaving this game. So, there's no such thing as serving granny. Nothing. Okay. Let's clear. Pass. I got spider baby also last time.
And what about during summers and all,
Oh,
they sweat a lot then. Still Malaysia.
oh. Mm.
Hmm.
Hey, hush. Nah, dude. No. Come back later. Let's go clear and check upstairs. Please be something, dude.
To dry the sun.
Boat useless and
Okay.
uh,
So is it a square big bottle, right? Plastic bottle?
nothing is useful here. Ah,
Okay, very good. It's for drying, especially if there are bigger booms, they put it for drying.
who turned that on? Let's drop everything at its place. Crowbar. Oh, good. Nothing. Good. Weapon key. Okay. Sweet. Oh, forgot. Who needs a manual? Needed a manual. Okay, I'll come back for that. Let me just hey, spider baby. Yeah, that's right. Hush, hush. Yeah, you're not the chocolate baby now. You should be that much grateful at least.
But I'm sure
Oh, fuck.
if you know that means she also knows.
I'm not. I forgot to unlock the locker, so then I can do poke-lock. Poke-lock, chocolate, chocolate. Oh yeah, security key. Ah! Okay, grab the wrench. Okay, fall down, run. Hold up. Don't resurrect yourself, dude. Okay,
She's writing, so which I've seen. His character definitely be damaged.
okay, let's take everything inside. Let's for fun. Yeet. Let's bye. Let's oh yay! That is a fun time.
I have taken Dove shampoo for this.
On. Nah, bro.
I'll do
Nah.
medical ones tomorrow, that's it.
Okay, let's go up, Pokoloco. Join.
No, it's like it's an oil. So before taking
Okay,
bath,
open.
put it in the skull.
Yeah, handbill.
Just be around, let it be for half an hour. My sister said, just let it be for an hour at least. Because then she said,
Dumb lady. Serbian dancing lady.
ask her to take bath.
Oh
And once she
gosh.
takes bath, you just, comb her hair. You just see everything
Grove.
coming out.
Just where's the door handle?
Then in the evening,
Just the
they
door
give you
handle that I need.
bath once more because you have removed the lights and everything. You just ask her to take bath once again and that's it.
Okay. Let's move fast.
Medical and all that, right? Medical is not good news.
Okay.
My sister was saying medical, nothing happens with that. She's saying that medical nowadays is like,
Stun gun.
the old life medical way used
What
to come, like
is
years
the
back
use
and
of a stun
life
gun?
doesn't go with medical. She said medical and all is just useless.
Dude. Yeah.
I thought once to
Where
get
is the
something hot water, boil
security
it in,
key?
water and,
I'm searching
and
for
then,
the
the same
security
paste she
key.
can apply in the hair. Correct?
Um, security key, safe key, all those stuff. Is in the fridge.
Antiseptic use.
There is no fridge. Food in the fridge.
No, I don't know.
This is gonna be your fridge now. Wait. Can I Nope. Nope. Eh. Whoa. Chukur.
I did go out to the market. I mean, until for last 3 4 days, I was using the home only. So I got, I mean, at least 95 to
Why not? Is there a stuck gun in the toilet? What?
really see.
Why
I
not
think
in
for
the
first time I
toilet
was
of the
shocked. I
player?
left all my work aside and I started getting into this only now. Because at night I have to continue scratching my head full time. After every 30 seconds she's scratching her head full night.
Oh, dude.
Then how come mosquitoes are biting like her head? Then I took this comb. Oh my god, the first stroke big, in this rice, those black, this thing you get in Isha.
Oh God, no. Oh yeah.
At times in rice, those black insects are there.
Okay.
No. I'm not talking about. See, when you store, don't store rice. Those initially the rice was that big.
Oh, here
Yeah.
we go.
Oh my God! And the first two insects developed
Bombastic boom.
specialization.
Here's
These
my
were
new
these were
explosion.
tarantulas.
It's gonna
Those
be
were
called
small human clone.
bombastic boom. Ready?
I just thought that I'm off phone for next 3 hours. And at least for wow, Nisha, I mean 100 is a very small
Uh,
number I'm giving. There were 4 days.
huh. Open this. You know what?
My sister was also shocked at what you're telling her.
Places where the key can be hidden. Places where the security can be hidden in Granny Chapter 2. Okay.
जहाँ एक ही जगह मिले ग्रोसरी का हर सामान Amazon फ्रेश से ग्रोसरी लाओ नहीं तो महंगा पड़ेगा।
लीजिए रिवाइटल एच विमेन जो ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ाए और दे 28% ज्यादा एनर्जी।
If you would have sold it that time,
We haven't checked there.
and then
Let's go recheck.
again bought it when it
Let's go recheck. Yeah.
and again sell it
Run, 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 run.
because that rolling profit, right?
Anything here?
I
Oh,
mean, every day in the morning I put.
oh my gosh. Oh no. Show me. Yeah, I know that microwave. In here? Wait, check this. There's nothing in there. I know one new question is in the microwave. I will just Loco number 6. So, let's see. I know this is cheating, but let's go check over there. We did not check over there. Hey, you done, Granny. Another dumb Granny. Thank you. Okay. Drop down. Okay. I know it was cheating, but sorry. Okay. Crowbar.
Mostly not so. They are at home only.
Oh gosh. with the crow. Oh my gosh. I'm being dumb right now.
Because she used to play with her friends in the playground and all that when she was in nursery and all, And she used to dirty her clothes. And I used to see the mud around her elbow and all that. That's when I told my dad, "Bego, aate hain."
Oh gosh. I took it and I must have. What? 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 Where did it? Where did it go? No. No, please. I know it's somewhere. I got it from the spider baby's house. What? Now we have to escape by boat. It's okay. But now we cannot escape only. We blew up the trash can and all. Hannah? Yeah. We could not escape.
Anyone who comes to there is life, it's like, hygiene
Okay.
is an issue there, okay?
Okay. Everything is done. Just padlock key. I think I threw it in the sewer or something happened to it. No, I definitely did not do. Okay. Let's go take one quick check around the house. Then we'll end the video if I don't find it. Okay.
So because of the dampness and all that in the building.
Wait. I'm not sure if I took it from them. Let's go check the security room and stuff.
My bedroom, I always close the windows and everything. Because when I on the AC, if you don't open the windows and all much, your room remains, cool and clean also.
Hold it. So we have the chain cutter and all.
That I do every day. For 10 15.
Okay.
Then I keep them openly and then I close it. Because when
no.
hot air comes inside your room,
Did I lose my gun? Yep.
So that's why I keep my
I lost my gun. I lose everything, dude. I'm such bad. Like, really, did you do this? Okay. Ammo is upstairs.
You told me close and put it in the cupboard. Get inside it.
Oh, dude.
So Tisha, tell me under the bed, I can put it directly. I put it now.
Okay. Grab that. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, 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 happy. Oh, yeah, let's go. Yes, yes. I am right. You are wrong. You don't dare to chin chin chun. Okay, whatever. Drop down. My favorite key is in my hand. And pew 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 pew. Yeah.
Back in the village, species and all, there are species.
Okay, that's all for today's video. Hey, what is going on here? Oh, this guy has escaped with you kidnapped. The end. Okay, that's all for today's video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Turn that red subscribe button gray. Turn that gray like button blue. And see you